Hi everybody, it's Stacy. I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way to make a quick birthday card. So I used from the Sweet Treats Cricut cartridge, I used the ice cream cone, and let's get started. First you'll need your 8.5 by 5.5 piece of cardstock folded in half. Then you will need a framed out piece, and I chose blue, and this is 5 by 3 3/4, and what I did was I went ahead and ran it through the embossing folder, and I'll move my example cards. And now what I want to do is, on the example cards I put the sentiment on the inside, but on this one we're going to make it on the outside. And this is how you can make a bunch of quick and easy cards, but just make them individual and different. Same cartridge, same size image that you cut out, but just different looks to it. There's a million different ways you can do it. So stamp your sentiment right there in the middle. Set that aside. Adhere that to the black piece. And these sentiments are from Limitless Labels from Paper Tray Ink. Something's going on with my tape from my ATG gun. Okay, center that and adhere it down. And then what you're going to do is just set that aside. Go ahead and put the framed piece of paper onto your card, and then we will get to assembling the ice cream cone. And you can run that through the Cuttlebug. You could just use colored pencils and give it some dimension, whatever you want to do. So go ahead and take this and set it aside. Now, how I made the ice cream cone, I don't know if you can see like the indentation that I made on that. This is what I did. I took my bone folder and I just scored it free-handed. And it does not need to be perfect. By all means, it does not need to be perfect. And then you just turn it the other way and you crisscross. And you're done. Then you take your green, and you can emboss this. You can do whatever you want to with it. I'm leaving mine alone. I'm not gonna emboss this one. And then you take that and you line it up, line up the layers. Make sure it's nice and down. And then you take your hot fudge and you glue that piece down. Make sure you get the little drip. And then you line that piece up. And make sure it's stuck down. Then you take your jelly roll pens. I love these things. Make sure it's writing. Okay, and then I just like to do a couple little dots, and it doesn't make any difference how you do this. You could do stitching. I just think it adds a little bit of character. And then what I'm going to do with the green, I have a green jelly roll. This one is Lime Star. I'm going to take that. First of all, I'm going to make sure it writes. And it does. I'm going to go ahead and follow the shape of the scoop of ice cream. Ta-da! Add some more white dot on the cone. And there's no rules, for these. Put them where you want. Then flip it over. Add some dimensionals. One there. One on each side. And this is so it holds its form once you put it in the envelope. And if you, especially if you mail it, you want to make sure that these don't get crushed. That's why I use so many dimensionals usually. Okay, then what I'm going to do with this one, since we're putting the sentiment on top too, I'm going to kind of curve this. Since I cut this at more than 4 inches, I want to make sure my sentiment fits as well. Then with my sentiment that I've already stamped, I'm going to put that right here, but I'm going to use smaller dimensionals so it's not popped up as high as the ice cream cone. I want the ice cream cone to be the feature. And then I will show you all 3 example cards. Ta-da! Love this color combination. It looks really nice. So just very easy, quick, Sweet Treats cartridge. Great cartridge. It's got a ton of stuff on it. I love all the cupcake options that it gives. Really good for birthdays. So there's a blue one. And this one I embossed both the scoop and the hot fudge. And then this one just embossed the hot fudge. So there's 3 different options, and these each have sentiments in the inside. You could do it either or. 3 different options, very simple, very quick and easy. And then now look, I have 3 birthday cards that are ready to go. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.